Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 19th, 2021. Take a look at my chart. We're going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Algorand. Yes, you guys can see it's been a long time too since we did our last price prediction into the market. We were playing a weakness into the market for this currency, and that is precisely what the market has done. I mean, ever since February, the market price for Algo has not even increased above our restriction area, which was around $1.80. So now we need to figure out, okay, where in the world is this price going to go so that we can continue to make bread in this space, all without being confused. All right, so if you want to join us, the doors are open. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel, because it's pointless for you to continue to try to pound your mind into more analytical research papers, protocols, articles, so many things that's running rampant, especially here on YouTube, that tries to consume your time. You're going to end up being confused, because there's just so much information out there that your mind can consume it all just to garner where price is going to go. All you need to do is focus in on the price and the price chart. Everything else is irrelevant, because everyone else values that type of information differently. Everyone cannot come on agreement on what that means, on what this information actually is worth. And once you actually try to digest that information, you yourself will have problems trying to come, okay, how much is this information worth? So when you just look at the price chart, you eradicate all of that confusion. And that is something that we want everyone in our community to understand and realize, is that let it go. Don't try to ingest all of that information. Just ingest all of this price information right here that you see on the price chart to get a better understanding as to what the market is going to do. This is all that you need. So if you want to join us, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. Recommend that you tap that bell notification as well, because I'm going to be honest with you, we're not here to pump you up. We're not here to give you any hype. If you want to win in the market, you need to join our team. We're one of the biggest teams available in the cryptocurrency space that continues to knock out these predictions out the park. So if you want to join us, we're here. If not, we're cool too. All right. So now, the last time we did our price prediction in Algorand actually was on February the 13th. February the 13th, 2021. So let me scoop this prediction all the way over to where we are at today. And you guys can see we had our ultimate TP area around 11.84%. So if anything, we still got profit out the market, whether it's 11.84% or if it were to get out right now, 48.99%. That's fantastic. This is how you're able to get in position and win. This is how you're able to take the lick and take it from the trap and put it right back into your account, all without being confused. So that's done. That is over. I mean, we had a whole lot of trading occur from February to today's date. So now we got a little bit more information to garner. Okay, where are we going to go now? That's the only thing that people in our community are worried about. So let's see. So now I'm going to take this horizontal line right here, okay? Because the price in Algo is not even traded around $1.40. So why do we need to keep it there? We're not. Now let's take this line and now let's transpose it to see what is the trend actually going on into the market for Algo. Are we in an upward trend still? And the answer is yes. This market in Algo is still in an upward trend, which is fantastic to see. But it's not so fantastic because we can still see the price come all the way down to that ascending line and test it. So if you're not into the market yet, definitely remember that we can still see this market price in Algo come all the way back down towards 60 cents. Now midpoint, there is a support area right here though, which is around 70. Okay, so we got 2 points already. There's nothing confusing about price charts. I just don't understand why people try to garner you all with so much information with technical analysis and it doesn't garner you any better position. We can already tell visually that support is coming in around 70 cents and then the next area is going to be around 60. So there's no confusion even involved in that. We already understand recently since February that we've been in a downtrend. So pretty much the momentum is lower. So we need to identify, okay, since the momentum is going lower, where will be the support price? Where will the trap take the value of Algo to prop up this price? 70 cents first, 60 cents next. Okay, so now let's look at the chart for Algo on a different time frame. This is the 3-day time frame. So I'm going to zoom in And yeah, the market here in Algo is still giving us some weakness. Now, I don't like the fact that Algo could not keep its price above 90 cents, even $1. That's not good. In order for us to see some strength enter the market in Algo, it had to maintain its price above those two levels, and it failed. It is what it is. So now we're still seeing that the momentum of weakness is still in play, pretty much. So you can see it on 5-day. Let's look on a weekly because we just completed the weekly time frame here. And the market in Algo is still giving us some weakness. So we're not out the woods yet. We're not done for the most part to see this weakness. What about on the 2 weeks time frame? Take a look at what happened on the last 2 weekly price bar. We still ended up lower into the market in Algo. So the premise, even from a weekly to a 2 weeks time frame, is for this price to go lower. Charts don't lie. It tells us exactly what it's trying to do, and it's trying to go lower. So if you understand that, and if you know how to short the market, then you can profit while Algo goes lower. Or if you don't know how to short, just wait to sit the sideline until the price becomes cheaper, and then you pounce into the market and grab up the bag. That's what you do. But generally, yeah, this market in Algo is still harnessing and giving us some weakness. So we're going to continue to play that, just like we did in February. So from February to July 19th, this market in Algo is still giving us some weakness, still. So let's run the play. So we already identified that 70 cents is support. That's our first area that we can see the market actually come in and try to hold some support. How do I know? Well, it's simple. Check back here in June 22nd, 2021 to June 23rd. The market pounced and saw support there, and then also right here on May 23rd. So that is an area of support. Not only that, take a look. 70 cents was acting as restriction as well too. So if we're really going to see the market price in Algo sustain its movement from where we've been, and at least give us a higher probability of coming back up to $1.30, $1.50, we need to hold 70 cents. We break 70 cents, we're coming all the way back down to 60 and test that ascending line. It's just what it is. Okay, so we're going to play that. Our restriction area is going to be around 90 cents. Our first area of TP is going to be around 70, right? But long term, the weekly, 2 weeks time frame, around 60 to 62 cents, we can see this market go in Algo. Okay. Now, if you're a bull, you don't like what I just said, but it's okay because you can't change it. I can't change it either. You just got to get in line, play the market as what you see it, and move along accordingly. And quit being emotional. These charts is not emotional, so why are you acting emotional? It doesn't do you any good. Just join us. All right, so that's it. This is what we're looking forward to in the market in Algorand. I want to know what you all think. Call the markets for yourself. Tell me your price prediction in the market for Algorand, where you think we're headed. And it's just that easy, just that simple. Join us. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.